On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Not today, Minnie. Dumpy's gonna take us to a secret location. 4th of July fishing. Alright, so I got the worm, filled up the gas, life jackets. Well, go get some gas and then go fishing. Oh no, it's the cops. Now, I've never been to a brothel, but this is how I'd imagine it. Thanks. Good old-fashioned American hospitality. I got us an Italian combo just in case.
Guy.
Christ! Assholes.
Going fast.
Assholes. There's no lift on this, so we're gonna have to be extra careful.
Just a little. This is the part where it's hard.
Come on, Dumpy. Don't dump us, Dumpy. Flip over on our side, we have to get up and flip it back on its wheels.
Got no winch either.
Oh yeah, no winch on Dumpy. I gotta do my lift kit and fix the frame. Summer came, so I wanted to do all this other stuff. I gotta get back on Dumpy. Go to our private little boat launch. Undisclosed location. As long as we don't have quads ripping through here, we'll be fine, right? Yeah, there's some quad tracks. Shit rocks. Something shit on a rock. Hang on, Dumpy, you're doing good. When you see a rock, you put a tire on it.
Rock
there's
right
that
here,
rock.
rock.
That's the rock. Oh, I'm on it.
Yeah, you're on it. Oh, hoping to fuck up the bumper.
Oh, I was looking at that rock. See, I knew there was a rock. I guess that's good right there. You done good, Dumpy. Yeah, we ain't going nowhere. I must have a tiny leak still. A little bit of water back here still. They're in the best spot. Keep an eye out for rocks for me. You know what would be pretty cool is to come out here sometime and camp on this island. Want to go to Baby Island? Where you want to go?
That them?
Yep.
There they are. Woo! Got the beer and all.
I told him to come in. Drive in, I'll stop you. See you, Chris.
The fucking rack.
Woo! I'm on a rock. There's a couple rocks here. There we go. Well, I'm all right. I'll hold you.
You gonna hold the whole time?
Yeah. Well, what do you want to do? I could put the anchor out. Yeah, get out. Get in the water. What are you waiting for?
We're stuck out in the water for like an hour trying to get this thing to run.
Yeah, Andrew was fucking dying of sweat.
Dude, these guys were pouring sweat. It was a pain in the ass. Dude, there was so much smoke blowing out.
It's from sitting. The thing sat 2 years.
Yeah.
But we ran it at the house, but it probably just didn't get the ship sucked through, you know?
I can't believe you guys fucking drove that thing all the way over here.
No anchor.
No,
I have a life jacket. You want to go swimming? It's not bad, actually.
no, it's nice.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, you got your wheel wife jacket?
I want to see how it works.
I'm just teasing you. There's an anchor you can throw out way out in the back and pull it away from the rocks.
Oh, it's lightning calling again. You guys broke the fucking clip.
Good? Alright. You piss over here? It smells like piss in here.
It smells like piss. I roll the fucking grease and everything's piss.
Maybe.
A few moments later.
It's rough out here. Riding the waves. Oh, where are you guys? Where the hell are they? What happened?
We're dead. It just fucking loses fuel and it dies, and then we got no battery.
Oh, I've been calling you. No one had been answering on the radio.
I'm glad you answered because we're not getting anything from you guys.
Alright, we're coming back.
Runs great. You gotta get it running
No,
first.
there's sunblock on there.
Choke or no?
No choke. Oh, almost.
I know, it almost catches every time, but it don't.
Oh, mother.
But seriously, where did all this popcorn come from?
Now it's fried.
What?
I bet you it just melted itself off again. Melt it?
Melted again?
Burned it right off. Yeah, right off the other half.
Well, where you want to get towed? I don't know how much gas, except we did drive a mile almost that way. This thing started acting up. To hear it? Probably should pull from that center. Well, they got their boat started and headed back toward the loading ramp, and then this happened. We'll just take our time and go back. What the hell? Well, it doesn't feel that hot.
You big dummy!
Oh, it is running out of gas. Holy shit, it burned that much gas?
You dummy!
I can't believe we burned that much gas. Trying to lift the back of the motor up a little more so we can suck the rest of what's in there. Well, we did make it about another 5 minutes and then finally died. Totally out of gas. Oh my god. We still got a little ways.
Going for a little bit.
Yeah, I can't believe we're out of gas. You want me to roll a little? Well, lesson in this video, if you go boating, be prepared. If that's a possibility. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want notifications on new videos. I have links for all of the products I use in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.